Did you do a good job nighttime at helping me get the food ready this morning for everybody? Did you supervise? Thank you. It's walk time. Hopefully I have more power this morning. Thank you, Donnie.
You're welcome, pretty girl.
Clocking steps, clocking steps.
Right.
Well, that's a pretty crepe myrtle. Just to be clear, it's hot and sticky out here this morning. It's not refreshing. It's going to be in the upper 80s again today, and there's a lot of moisture on the ground. I think overnight we had about 2/10 of an inch of rain, so maybe a little more, about 1/4 of an inch. So yeah, it's not refreshing out here today, even though we're out early. They mowed yesterday, not only at South Park, but out here on the trail too. First time I've noticed that they've done that. It wasn't bad, but it looks, you know, better. My phone, watch, whatever, recorded 93 decibels as I walked through South Park yesterday. So yeah, those zero turn gas powered lawnmowers, they make a lot of noise. A lot. I just let out a big sigh and Don said, yeah, I'm breaking a sweat over here this morning.
Pretty warm and sticky.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty strong.
Wow, you know, it's all uphill till you get to about right here, and I really want under the bucket right now. They can just drench me in my workout clothes. I don't care. The firemen are over here setting up for a training exercise this morning. There's the fire runner. You probably can't see the detail, but there's a little road runner on the middle door. We're on our second time around over here at the walking track before we head back out the Jeff Wells Trail. It hasn't gotten any cooler. So my blood sugar was good this morning. It was like 87. It's down from where it was pre-fast. It's a little low for me, but lower, that's a good score.
That's a good number.
Very healthy morning fasting number.
Yeah, under 90 is like super sweet.
Yeah, when you do keto carnivore though, your morning fast can be a little different than say somebody that's not doing that. It can be your highest of the day instead of the lowest. It sort of flip-flops, but I'm feeling pretty good. It could be cooler, but I'm feeling pretty good this morning.
And she sure is looking good.
Oh, thank you, Donnie.
She's got her new glasses on. Did you notice the new glasses?
I did. They're just off Amazon. They're 1.5s. I ordered some 1.75s. Depends on what I'm doing and how far away it is, but I thought maybe my disorientation a little bit is looking. I'm just too lazy to take them on and off, and I'm on my phone all the time. I can't read my phone without them, so gotta have them, gotta have them. Today is the chiropractor lady, and I have been having pain, and the TENS unit came, and I have been using the TENS unit, which helps, but I feel it creaking around in there. I think I'm going to ask her to try the kinetic tape. I think that's what you call it, the sports tape today.
KT tape, yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm probably going to go to GA Apex. So 12 o'clock is my chiro appointment. I'll go to Apex afterward and then come home.
I just have work all day.
I'm sorry. You should turn.
Sorry. Okay, I gotta go run. Have to switch
to your running app.
Okay, see you back at the house.
Yep.
Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss. Love you. Go, Donnie, go. So 5123, 2.3 miles and 131 beats per minute right now, down to 126. It's dropping faster, it's recovering quicker. 6,236 steps. But walking into Apex and walking around Apex and stuff today, that should help. And yes, I've got the air on me, the air. I believe I heard the Town of Fuquay guy say to someone on the phone that the towel dispensers had been pulled off the wall, and then the cop showed up a few minutes later. And you know, that just really is lousy. That's not the word I want to use, because someone will need to come in there to use the bathroom, and they'll have started locking it up more hours of the day because of the vandalism, and then they won't be able to use the bathroom. Why do people do stuff like that? I was neighbors having some pine trees removed. I saw one come down. Must gonna make it so you can see the house. I was too fast today. He's not all the way up the driveway yet. I'm just out here spending a few minutes with the girls. There's actually no one in the backyard, and I called. They're probably up the hill, hopefully not together. And yes, the tree removal is a little loud. Hopefully it'll be a quick job. That old saying, let sleeping dogs lie. Well, it applies to cats too. I'd like to go out and visit with Tux, but it's just not worth stirring them up. This is all that's left of that bin that needs to be, we'll call it a pre-sort, needs to be pre-sorted. I've got about 45 minutes until I gotta get up and go, so I'm gonna sort between now and then. I'm on time, but no time to spare. It's 11:25 and it's gonna take about 30 minutes to get to the chiropractor's appointment. I bent down to rub Tux, and he followed me like the good puppy cat that he is, so I put him up there with his food, and I'm watching him as I back out. Alright, all's good. Hopefully he'll go back to sleep and not get into any trouble while I'm gone. I'll probably be gone 3 to 4 hours, because it's an hour drive time, hour and 10 minutes maybe. And then an hour walking around Apex and an hour in the chiropractor's office. So yeah, I'll be gone 3.5, 4 hours. It's 11:30. I told Don I wouldn't be back before 3, so that was about right. Well, they're done, and they didn't remove the stuff at the street, but they did remove quite a good bit of the pine trees that were in closer to the house. Maybe when I come back through later, I can get a better view. I can certainly see why they wouldn't have wanted those pines that close to the house. I can also see why they would want to leave the rest of the trees there, blocking them from the street. It's not supposed to be traffic like this at 11:40 in the morning. This is just Highway 55 in Holly Springs, for goodness sakes. I guess there must be working in front of that Lowe's up here still, trying to do the turn lanes and all. I don't know. I just know I don't have a lot of extra time. And you can say, well, you should have given yourself more time, and you'd be right. Except I was really enjoying just sitting there sorting Legos for a few minutes. Wow, that Y is so new. It still got the stickers on the tire. I think they were doing a launch over lunch. They pulled up a minute ago and went inside. I am here on time, but not too much to spare. Never too short to run my mouth, though. The Y's gone. I had left my camera in the car, but when I went in, I did see that it had a paper plate. It was brand new. Those little green tags are where the I can't talk, walk, and chew gum at the same time. I was trying to see, it says I have a Sentry Mode event, and I was trying to view it, and my viewer icon is gone. That is, I mean, Sentry Mode is on and I have an event, but my icon, now every once in a while, and I just mean every once in a while, I have to pull it out and reinsert it. Oh, I know why. No, I'm still in park. There it is. It came back. So who knows if I got the report. It could have just been those Tesla people just when they walked back to get in their car, or half the time, you know, it's me. I'm not worried that it's something wrong. Video unavailable. Please select different footage. So whatever it tried to record, it couldn't record, I guess. I'm not gonna, yeah, and it also took it back offline. Huh. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I get it. Launch viewer. Well, I don't mind picking a, yeah, it's just trying to tell me. Yeah, USB device malfunction. Unplug it and replug it, it says. I might need to, well, I can't click on it now at all. I was going to say I might need to reformat it. I don't know. I haven't been having trouble with it, but every once in a while, I have unplugged and replugged. Yeah, I'm kind of frustrated over here at Guardian Angel Apex because Hertz has really filled up all of these far away spaces, which I get because those are not the spaces that patrons to the shopping center, the Food Lion, Guardian Angel, the Italian restaurant are not the ones that they would normally use, so I get that. But then over here on the other side are a lot more of these trucks and a lot more rental vehicles, and it's like, well, where are the rest of the patrons to the shopping center supposed to park? You know, there's just all of these other rental, that whole row when you come around the corner. I mean, this is not even anywhere near Hertz, and they've got their vehicles parked over here, which I'm sure is why the Prius is there. So, like, where am I supposed to park? There was one space there, but that truck was like in the back. I feel like I just want to go park in the grass and tell them to, well, I can't say what I was going to say. I mean, seriously, it's like, because if we go down this other row over here, I mean, I don't mind parking farther away. There's just no farther away to park over here now. All of these vehicles on the left are out-of-state plates, and they're all Hertz rental vehicles. Even here on the right. So where are we supposed to park? If I was Miss Laura, I think I would be complaining. And I didn't realize it, but Hertz has actually painted Hertz on some of these places, but not all of the ones they're in, but some of the ones that they're in, they've way exceeded the ones that are painted. Yeah, no Hertz or overnight parking right there. Well, that's a nice try. Well, I parked Ruby here. I'm sure she'll be fine. It's not where I'd like to park, though. Yeah, I got her over pretty good. Remind you of Dino from the Flintstones? Does me. They are overflowing with glass today. Lots of glass. There's a lot of glass up along the front wall. They usually have other stuff there. I have no need for Frankenstein, but he's so cute. Very festive. And that's cute. I guess it's a trivet. At first I thought this was some sort of a cat bed, but I guess it's a wedge pillow. It's a people pillow. So Michelle got a vintage jewelry box, and I got a Longaberger basket with a fabric and plastic liner, and I got one Corel plate. I have this pattern. They only had the one, so I'll add it to the stack. So I formatted the USB drive, and we'll see if the car, if it behaves. It was up there and now it's not, so I'm not sure that that fixed whatever the problem is. I pinged Don and he's doing good. He's got a 4 o'clock conference call or something like that. I'm feeling good enough to go into Whole Foods, and it would be convenient to pick up a few things since I'm up in Cary, so I'm gonna go in and get what I need, and it's a good thing that I'm feeling good enough to make a 3rd stop today. Only 3 bags today. I mostly meat. I just cheated and put it by the Falcon Wing door today. Well, I don't like that at all. There was a cart return right there. Now both of them are down here and I gotta walk this much further. That doesn't really seem to make sense to me. I guess they're that desperate for the extra parking space on the weekend. Bummer. I don't like that. I mean, I don't mind bringing it back, but I mean, you can't use that space anyway over here, so how is that better? It's still taking up 2 spaces. It's 88 out there according to Ruby. Coming up on the I-540 Southern Loop construction here. It's a pretty sky. No rain in the forecast that I know of. I got Don and I some white shrimp, some little neck clams, and a few scallops to go along with dinner tonight. I say go along with because I was planning on making a steak and some broccoli. I'll probably still make the steak, but maybe not the broccoli. Not really expecting Don to come out because it's 5 after 4 and I think he had a 4 o'clock conference call. Tux is right there off the side of the driveway. That's an odd spot for him. You doing okay? Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, bud. Hi. Can you help carry in the groceries? I got 3 bags. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. So what you up to?
I'm trying to get the multi-sensor, Z-Wave multi-sensor in the garage paired so that I can use its humidity setting to control the dehumidifier.
Cool. And he also replaced the, what do you place on the front door, storm door?
That's called
the thing that makes it close soft.
Yeah, the soft.
The hydraulic little thing. I don't know what that thing is.
Actually,
the door closer.
Door closer gizmo.
Well, you ordered it on Amazon. Surely it had a name.
Yeah, it does, but I didn't pay attention to it.
Well, I have got some good stuff going for you over here. I've got little neck clams, which I cook in butter and a little wine sauce and some green onion. And I'm fixing to drop some shrimp over here and cooking this butter sauce. And then there's even a few scallops and there's some steak.
Oh, wow. I'm sounding good.
I guess you're having surf and turf.
That sounds wonderful. I got no problem with surf and turf. Sounds great. Let's do it.